Hi everyone, it's Miss Kelly from the library here. I just wanted to show you something that was released yesterday that I'm really quite excited about, which is going to help you continue reading while we're not in school. Obviously, you might not have access to books at home, and this is a really fun way to get you reading while you are working from home. So on the screen here you can see there's a website that I have written on. It's readon.myon.co.uk, and that website you need to type into a fresh web page. So I've got one here for you, and you just need to have that website in. You don't need to log on for this, so ordinarily you would, but it has been made available to keep you reading. So all you need to do is click Start Reading. Now, as you can see, there are 7,102 books on here that you have access to, which is about the same amount of books that we've got in the school library. But what's really exciting is a lot of the books that are on here aren't in our school library, so you've got a real opportunity to find something a bit different. You can browse the books by category, so if you go into the genres, or like you prefer maths or science or things like that, then you can look there. But I would suggest searching for some books by using your ZPD range, and you do that by clicking search, which is near the top of the screen, and you will need to click the filter button here to open up this filter box. So you need to click ATOS, ATOS, and imagine that you are in the school library and all of the books that start with a level 2 are together, level 3s are together, level 4s are together, okay? What you need to do then is you need to click on the books that are within your ZPD. So I am going to have a look at the level 3 books here, and then I will click search here. So that has found 1,698 books for you to read, and I expect every single one of you to read all of them. I'm joking, you don't have to read all of them, but you can try and work your way through as many of them as possible. So if we scroll down, you can see the amount of books that are available for you to read through, and as I said, they are books that we don't have in the school library, so you are extremely lucky to have the opportunity to read some of these. Now, if you find a book that you quite like the look of, what I suggest you do is you have a look at the information. So I quite like this look of this rat on the page. So you can read it straight away, or you can go into the information. Now, the information will give you a synopsis of the book. It will tell you what the book's about. And if you click on the details, which is this button here, it will tell you the book level. It will tell you how many points it's worth on Accelerated Reader, and it will give you the quiz number there. So if you like the idea of reading this book, you can click read, and it will open up this page here for you to read it online. So if you just want to start the book, you can do that, and to turn the page you just need to click this arrow on the right hand side of the screen. If you come across a word that you don't know, then you can click on the word and view it in the dictionary, and that will tell you what that word means. And to close the dictionary, you just need to click the dictionary button on the side there. What's also really fun about this program is that if you would like for them to read the book to you, you can click this magical button at the bottom here, and what that does is it starts playing you the story like an audiobook that you can read along to. So if I click that here,
behold the Library of Doom, the world's largest collection of deadly and dangerous books. Only the librarian can prevent these books from falling into the hands of those who would use them for evil. What happens when something decides that books are good to eat?
and again all you need to do is click the button here to turn the page. Now once you have finished reading your book, if you open up a fresh web page again, you can log on to Accelerated Reader to play the quiz. Now while I'm here, I'm going to say this. the Accelerated Reader website needs to be our Accelerated Reader website. It needs to have the numbers that represent our school. So you can't just Google Accelerated Reader and log on that way. So I'm going to show you how to log on now. So you need to type in the following: UK HOSTED 61 .RENLEARN.co.uk, and these numbers are really important. Okay, you've got 3 5 2 7 7 7 0, and if you go onto that one, you should see on this side of the screen it will say SWBA 77WS. If it doesn't say that, you are not on our school's Accelerated Reader. So you need to make sure that the numbers in the website match the numbers that we have given you in class charts. Okay? If you have any questions about Accelerated Reader, about Myon, or about reading in general, please email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Happy reading, guys.